Okay, so guess what? We got stopped out. We got stopped out. Yeah, crazy open for gold, and it looks like Trump gave some positive news, right? That they were in peace talks with Iran, but it seems that it didn't last very long, and that it was fake news. So we're about to short gold again. Um, it's very weird because war should be good for gold, but it's doing the opposite. Um, Oil seems to be reversing as well. So yeah, we're gonna take a gold sell right now. Um, gonna put it right above here, risking 2%, going quite aggressively. I know, but yeah, it's a pretty much a done deal. As far as Nasdaq as well, we're going we're going. Five lots on Nas. Oh gosh. Five lots on Nas, guys. Short as well. And there we go. Then we can put a little bit of a bigger stop loss. Oh yeah. That's right. We lost earlier today. So we can't put too big of a stop loss. We're putting it 0.5. I think. Yeah. There we go. Now let's get an overview. We don't need the German 30, so let's just get these two in the overview. There we go. And okay, we're set. Oh, I see that this is off now. Let me put this a bit higher. There we go. And there we go. All right, guys, a little war trade action. Oh, shoot. What? Okay, there we go. Okay, that should be good now. I think it will kind of like completely reverse the move that it made earlier today. We'll see. We'll see what happens. And yeah, it just looks like that was a bearish top. Might go. Let's go for a 1 to 0. 0.5 for 0.75 um with Nasdaq, and let's go for the bottom, guys. Hey, we gotta take some chances. I was just about to eat, so yeah, guys, I'll just leave it like this. I just had to take this trade. It looks like Trump gave some fake news, and Iran straight away after it now has said like, no, we're not in peace, dude. We're not in peace. We're not doing any peace. So that's why the market is kind of reversing. That's kind of the latest, and that's kind of what's going on. Um, Looks like oil is reversing as well. It dropped from 100 to 90, so it dropped by $10. But it looks like, yeah, it's getting back quite a bit as well right now. So yeah, guys, I'll be back in about 15 minutes because I was just about to eat, but I couldn't not take this trade because otherwise we would miss it. You know what I mean? I was a little bit late on this trade as well, but at least we got in. We're in now. We're locked in. We're locked in, guys. Um, and yeah, we'll just let this run, and I'll be back in about 10-15 minutes. Okay. Alrighty, guys. What's good? What's good, man? I'm sorry about that. That little flippity flip. I had to go and eat something, man. um, Not the best timing. And hey, man. I'm not sure what you're saying, Kale Kid. Are you saying that I'm not using my brain? Are you saying that I'm stupid? You calling me stupid, bro? You calling me stupid? I bet you wouldn't dare to say that to my face, bro. You calling me stupid, bro? Um, no, I understand your concern. It's not just only that news thing. It's also how the market reacted. If there was no reaction from that, then yeah, of course, we wouldn't do anything. But I think the market showed that this meant a lot. This meant a lot. It's like it was positive news, war is gonna end. Then they heard the negative news, and it might just drop all the way to the groundy. But yeah, this is also very very key level right now. Very very key level. So Nasdaq showing a lot more. Showing a lot more strength. Um, I mean stronger bears. Man, what a crazy time, guys. Like, I mean, did you guys see the move on gold? Like, I mean, did you guys like look at this candle, man? Look at these moves on gold and Nasdaq, man. Like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, bro? It's actually times where you shouldn't be trading. To be real with you guys, you probably shouldn't be trading. But I said to myself that I would live stream every single day. So even during these wars, I'm just trying to do my best. And the best is just to follow what the news is doing, man. Follow what these guys are doing, man. It's all controlled by the U.S. media, pretty much. Is controlling the narrative right now. But oh well, we shall see. Right now, it's like last little bit of resistance. Right now, if it breaks this, it's also the kind of the market range, kind of the opening range a little bit spread with, what it should have done is a continuation to the upside, but it's very slowly creeped up. The negative news came in, and it's now not showing any strength. But hey, this is like a key level where it could grab the liquidity and push towards the upside. I'm not discounting that at all. I'm not discounting that at all. Gold seems to be getting rejected, man. So let me see. So Kale Kid. Oh, the message above you. Oh, sorry, bro. I thought you were calling me stupid. I was like, man, kind of unmotivates me to to do the live, man. That's kind of yeah. Oh, you heard that TJR controls the market? Oh, shizzle. Yeah, I mean, but that would mean that ICT controls the market because he's using ICT strategy. So that would mean that ICT controls the market. But here comes the twist. ICT said that they changed the algorithm, so he doesn't control the market anymore. That's why the fair value gaps don't work anymore. Oh gosh, dog. Okay. Look, we're seeing the wick. Oh shoot, sorry guys. We're seeing the wick happening. Can I zoom in? Exactly from that point where it could. So this is like the last little bit. If it breaks this, Meaning if there's a solid candle that closes below that red line, then we're definitely going to get a runner, unless there's going to be some negative news or positive news, rather, for indices coming out. But I doubt they will play that much of a yo-yo. This is like the latest news. There might be some news during Asian. There might be some news tomorrow. But yeah, we're definitely not swing trading this, that's for sure, because anything could happen, guys. But I don't understand. Like, the thing is, it's terrible for Iran because not only did all of the European countries, like I think it's 19 countries in a coalition against Iran on the Strait of Hormuz. Like, this is like crazy, man. That Iran is like not giving up, if that's the case. They're just gonna get bombed to death, dude, and they're not giving up. Like, I think even my country like sent the ship out there, dude. Like, so yeah, 19 countries are battling against Iran, and somehow, and the world's strongest, which is America, obviously, is fighting as well, and somehow people seem to think that this will take forever, this war. No, this will be over pretty quick. This will be over pretty quick. We don't even know if that new leader is dead. He could be unalive. Anyway, looks like we will break it. Come on. As long as it's not solidified, it's not there yet. It's not there yet. It could be a fake out. So, while lost 5%, is there any reason, war, etc.? Yeah. So we tried to long gold, man. We tried to long gold. It was a good opportunity. It dipped a little bit lower than I thought. Let's just put it that way. We bought at 4,500, came all the way here, so we lost quite a bit. But hey, it did come up. We just needed an extremely big stop loss. But hey, look, we'll make it right back, though. Don't worry, bro. We'll make it right back. If Nasdaq hits, we'll make it back already, and then we still have gold as well, so we could be back positive. We could be back positive today. Don't worry, man. Don't worry. If gold hits, it's 7K, bro. If gold hits, it's 7K. But I don't know if we might take profit a little bit earlier, like somewhere here. But still, I mean, we could see how it reacts off here. But if gold hits, it's 7K, bro. Don't worry. We got this, bro. We got this. Stop your worrying, man. Okay, let's see. It's closed below. It closed below, bro. It closed below. That's confirmation, man. Now, I'm not ruling out that it could do something weird, but that's a clear confirmation, man. That's a good trade. I'm gonna hold on to that for sure. Hold on to both of these. Now this 30-minute candle opened a little bit green, but yeah, that's a clear break of the structure, man. And so it should most likely. We got our stop loss. Actually, I'm gonna lower it to 300 now, 388, because yeah, if it breaks that, it might be a continuation towards the upside. Gold, I kind of want to keep it over there because it could still retest those highs. But Nasdaq doesn't move like that. Nasdaq doesn't need to do that. It could go just straight down from here. Let's see. Yeah, we're looking pretty solid. We're looking pretty solid right now. This is what I've liked to see. So yeah, call it, kid. Did you call anybody stupid? I haven't called anybody stupid. Uh, short D30, is that DAX 30? German 30? Or do you mean Dow Jones 30? Look at D30 euro. Um oh, sorry. Yeah, that's the DAX. No, I'm not short. I'm not short on the DAX today. But yeah. Looks like it's making. Oh, that's nice, man. These are actually levels that I mapped out previously. Wow, what a gap. What a gap, man. Holy smokes. Yeah, it's kind of the same, kind of doing the same thing that Nasdaq is doing, but it's still keeping the equal lows right now. So I would wait maybe just a tiny bit. Yeah, let me get rid of this because it's kind of in the way. Okay, so they are coming back. They are coming back a little bit. They're coming back a little bit. Let's see. Oof, I still have something with my traps. I'm at this point I'm not sure if I overtrained my traps or if I or if I or if it's just muscle pain. But they are growing though. They are growing though. I'm gonna be a beast this summer, guys. I'm gonna be absolutely shredded and buff, bro. Buff is pretty gay, but yeah. Oh, Dan JB, what's going on, bro? Gold shorts? Yes, sir. We're going gold shorts. Yeah. It's it's giving like a bearish structure, and there was news that Trump basically gave some fake news this morning that he was talking with the Iran leaders, and then Iran responded like, "No, we're not talking with you. Like that's a lie." So they're questioning if he lied on purpose just to get the oil prices down. You know what I mean? So he did accomplish that. But now it looks like oil is reversing again because Iran is saying an opposite thing. So yeah, that's kind of what's going on. This could be, fake news and a reversal, very shortly. But right now, gold is still holding on a little bit. Let's see if it actually came below, or if it's just equal lows again. Let me just put a line so we can see a little bit clearly. Yeah, it's kind of just equal lows still. So it wasn't a clear break yet towards the downside. Could be kind of like a double bottom reversal. I'm just being careful here. Yeah. Let's see how this next one opens. Ooh, okay. Okay. Quite interesting. Let's see how it reacts off the 9. Yeah, I'm kind of like seeing on the R side as well. It's creating a bullish divergence. That's not very good. But judging from Nasdaq, it's already getting reversed. Right now, these move kind of in correlation with each other. So if Nasdaq rejects from here, I think gold will do the same. It's creating a lower high again. Getting a nice wick right now. Yeah, so is gold. So is gold as well. No, these are great signs. These are great signs. There's not a huge amount of buyers like stepping in right now. They're not aggressively buying from this point. They are pushing it up a little bit, but the bears are pushing it down, dude. The bears are pushing it down. It would be great to get a retest of today's low. but we shall see. We shall see if we can get there. Oh yeah, I was also watching tennis by the way before this. Let me just check the score real quick. Oh gosh, dude. Wow. Medvedev is getting beat like 6-0, man. Wow, that's crazy. Okay. That's very interesting. I'm a huge tennis fan, and yesterday was like crazy day in tennis as well. Alcaraz got beat, so the world number one got beat by world number 14, and they had never faced off. But like, yeah, number 14, he almost had it like straight sets, but like, but it's also interesting to watch. He had like a nervous moment, so he was about to close the match. He was serving it out, and you could see it on his face. He was nervous. He was sweating. So he fumbled. He fumbled the last little bit that he had to go. So then they had to go all over again for a deciding set. But in the end, he came through on the second time. But you could see the nerves. Like tennis is such a, because it's a one-man sport, right? It's such a individual sport. So you could see a lot of the psychology, and a lot of the stuff they say is it comes down to trading as well, because they're like, you gotta think about it point by point. So if you lose the last point, you don't think about the last point, you think about the next point, and you try to go point by point, win every point possible. You don't think about the last point. So it's like trading, man. We don't think about the last trade. We just go point by point. We just go again and again. And it's just interesting to see, like, they're competing at such a high level, right? Such little margin for error. There's literally like it's been decided by 1 centimeter or 1 millimeter difference on the line, and it hits exactly on the line. And there's like quick reactions, right, and all that stuff, right? So it's just such a beautiful sport, man. I absolutely love it. That's my favorite sport, which I hope one day to be able to afford to go to the Wimbledon final, which is like 50,000 £50,000, I believe. And that's not even the best seats or anything. That's just how much it costs to go to the final. I hope one day to be able to afford that. That it's not like a big deal, but that's a lot of money. But yeah, it would be cool to watch it one day, maybe. Uh, yeah, even bring the family along, but that's a expensive ticket, man. Okay, guys. Looks like it's getting a reversal now. What's good, Dan? Hey, lads. Somebody, okay. It depends. Is long-term momentum down? Yes, for sure. That's 100% for sure, man. That's 100% for sure. And Nasdaq, yeah. By the way, Nasdaq could go a long way down still for sure. If we look at the daily time frame, it jumped back up, but it still got a long way down, to be honest. Like all the way till here. But I'm not gonna take that big of a chance yet, because we have such a tight stop loss. It could come back down, come back up. Okay, now it's kind of. It's gonna take a little while, guys. I'm gonna take another little break. I'll be back in like 10 minutes, guys, if you don't mind. Um, yeah, this is gonna take a while. So hey, I'll be back in like 10 minutes. Okay, guys. Cool. Oh shoot, I switched the wrong thing off. Okay, there we go. Okay, listen, guys. I don't know what it is, man. I don't know if somebody's got like a voodoo doll on me or something. But every time I get on these lives, dude, my shoulder or trap, like it just like pinches in it, man. Like it's crazy, man. Maybe it's the way I'm sitting, but dang, I started to feel it like last week, and it's like it's some kind of nerve, man. Some kind of nerve damage, maybe. I don't even know what it is. I gotta get that checked out, man. If that continues, but it's weird because I don't have it the whole day, and immediately when I start doing these lives, I start getting like some kind of weird pinching feeling in my trap, dude. I just put some balm on, which is a nice balm. It's kind of like making it, it's kind of it makes the area hot, kind of a little bit burning. I don't know, makes it kind of warm. So that's helping right now. Okay, dude. Gold, as long as as long as gold stays below these two EMAs, we even got like a lot of safety with the stop loss. It could come all the way up here even, but on the other hand, it is showing signs of potential reversal as well, but not a very convincing one. It could pick up steam in a little bit though, like. So I'd rather focus on the 5-minute EMAs, because if those gets reversed, we're gonna be in quite a heavy drawdown, which I don't wanna afford, which we can't afford right now actually. So let's see. Still pretty convinced that it will be a move to the downside, but let's see here. We don't want to get. I just wanted to say hello and good luck. 3K today. Wow, nice. Well done, bro. Well done, Marek. Marek Dabrowski. Well done, man. So you made 3K today. That's awesome, man. Hey, if this hits, we're gonna make 9K, dude. So let's see. Wait, did you catch that buy on Nasdaq or gold? If you did, that was a crazy entry, because nobody, it happened so fast that nobody really saw it coming, unless you're like maybe paying attention 24/7 to Trump's tweets on Truth Social. Maybe then you could have spotted it very quickly and like kind of made the decision very, very quickly. But it moved in like 2 minutes. That big move, 1,000 points, was like done in 2 minutes, dude. Sorry, that was on Nasdaq, right? I guess we need to go maybe to the 1 minute time frame, right? And kind of see. I mean, come on, dude. Come on, look at this move, dude. That is an insane move, man. I mean, I don't know how you could have spotted that. It moved so quickly. These are 1 minute candles, so I have no idea. But maybe you caught a smaller move to the upside over here, maybe, or on gold. But hey, look, Nasdaq is more convincing that it's moving to the downside. But yeah, gold, as long as it stays below these EMAs, man, I'm good with it, man. No, I wish that was for you. Oh, okay. I'm a long-term trader, daily charts. Ah, cool. Yeah, we're catching trades every day, dog. I wish. I would probably like scalp this, to be honest, instead of going for a big move. But that would mean such a tight stop loss that it's also risky, because you can see it moving up and down a lot. Oh, so you can. It's difficult to scalp as well. So. But yeah, if I would scalp this, I would probably short it from here, put the stop loss at these highs and then scalp it just like to here to the bottom or something. Okay. I just hope no news comes in now that they have reached a peace settlement or something. That would really suck. I mean, no, that would actually be good for the world, but it would suck for our trades. Let's. Actually, no, I don't want them. Cause look, if they make peace now, then that means that nothing has changed. They're, Iranian people will still be. It will even be worse for them, right? But yeah, it will be good for the oil prices and all that stuff, of course. But the war would have been for no reason. Like, there was no reason to go to war then if you're just going to replace Khomeini with Khomeini. Like, it doesn't make any sense. Whether there would even be peace talks, I don't know. Israel wouldn't even be good with that. So they'll, look, what's going to happen is if Trump says, like, yeah, peace, whatever, Israel is still going to bomb probably, and it's going to start all over again, dude. So I don't think they can... Iran is not going to give up. Let's be real. Like, they're not going to give up on their mission, especially now when they've killed all their leaders and stuff. Like, do you think really now they're going to be best buddies with the US? No chance, bro. No chance. Ain't no chance, bro. This needs like a complete new leadership. Iran needs complete new leadership. Otherwise, this war cannot be done, I think, in my opinion. In my humble opinion, dude. To each, okay, so... let's see. Flash Thompson said the only way you can catch that if you had a Darvis box set up, and even that probably wouldn't have worked. I don't even know what that is, bro. What you doing? I give you mad respect. I can't do 5 minutes myself. Oh, thanks, dude. Hey, thanks, man. Well, we're not doing that great on this account, but yeah, I mean, we had 0 losing days on the Fivers, but yeah, it was a little bit messy. But you guys saw that I was able to at least predict where it was going, right? So maybe the entries were off a little bit, but I was still able to predict where it was going in the short term. Ooh, but like these candles right now, they could suddenly move. They're looking a little scary because, you see big jumps out of nowhere. So I'm just hoping that there's not going to be some massive news candle out of nowhere. If it's to our side, it's obviously good, but like, I'm just saying, man, it's risky territory. Like, if you're going to scalp today, it's probably not the smartest. Because it's a little, just judging by the move that happened earlier today, you already know kind of that it's a day where it might be smart to just not do anything. Might be just smart to kind of stay on the sidelines. But yeah, looks like Nasdaq is pushing down. Let me just quickly check up on my... Oh gosh, dude, Medvedev is getting beat like to the... Okay. Looks like a continuation to the downside now. It's a pretty clear push. Look, gold didn't pass the moving averages. This is actually exactly what you want to see. It retesting those moving averages and then getting rejected. That is exactly what you want to see. So we're going to lower the risk, because if it pushes past them now, it's most likely going to reverse. But right now it's looking good. It's looking real good, man. It was all fake news, probably. Because Trump was kind of being vague today. Like, I watched the news, guys. I watched the news, and I was like, they were asking him, who did you talk to in Iran? Like, which leader did you talk to? He was like, I'm not gonna say the name because, because otherwise he could get killed. So I'm not gonna say the name. But that's already kind of sketch, right? Like, which leader was it then? Like, was it the supreme leader? Then he said, like, no, not the supreme leader. So who was it then? We don't know. Who was even having these discussions that he's gonna end the war? We don't even know. So it could have been fake news just to relieve the oil price a little bit, which, I understandably needed to do because, like, prolonged, prolonged oil prices at above 100 is very, very bad for the economy, obviously. And maybe his buddies were like, hey, bro, come on, man. Got to do something for the stock market, dog. You got to pump up the price a little bit. Come on, man. Put some fake news out there, bro. I don't know. It could all be legit. But right now, Iran gave the negative news. Because obviously they're fighting like an economic war. They wanna see the stock markets crash and all that. They're fighting a different type of war, man. Okay. Chill there, buddy. Chill there, Nasdaq. Don't try to reverse now, man. Take a chill pill, bro. I would never listen to what that man has to say, and this is killing them. Yeah, I mean, like, there's been a lot of this kind of tariff fake news as well, right? So with Trump, like, that's why the market was a little skeptical. It like pushed up, but then it was like, we don't know, actually. We don't know if this is fake news. So didn't that happen with the tariffs? Like, it pushed down, so many people got liquidated, like in the crypto space, like people committed suicide, and then within a couple of days it went back up a little bit. No, but it did cause a crash eventually. But before that, there was so many flash crashes that ended up being fake news, man. He would say, like, yeah, I'm putting 100% tariff on China now. Next day, nah, never mind. We're good buddies now. We're good buddies. Never mind, bro. That was a false alarm. False alarm. We're best buddies now. Before it was like arch enemies, but within a couple days, it's all good. And didn't his son make like a ton of money on that short? He said his kid's good for life, man. Initial bump is retail. They always overreact. Yeah, I don't know if retail has that kind of power. I think it's still the big players, but yeah, maybe they thought like, yeah, it's good to buy a little bit over here. Maybe it is the end of the war, but it wasn't convincing. It wasn't convincing enough to push it way past. This is great, actually. We're staying above the 100 on the 1 minute as well on gold. I actually don't have the good chart settings on here. Maybe it's this one. Yeah, great. Okay, now we got the EMAs on Nasdaq as well. And look at that. The EMA is right there. We got the stop loss above it on Nasdaq as well. So yeah, I think these positions look very, very good. Very, very good right now. It's got to break a lot of short-term trends to invalidate this move. Yes. Okay. Let's go, man. Daniil Medvedev broke back too, man. Broke back mountain too. No, just joking. That's a gay movie, I think. But like, looks like, unless it does some really funky stuff, it looks like it's about to break towards the downside, guys. It really, really, really does look like that. It's just like a nice bearish top, lower high here, and then a push to the downside. Meaning there was orders sitting up here, saw orders from this previous. Okay, it's gonna try to retest it again. Interestingly. Yeah, so right now there's orders, buy limit orders sitting here, sell limit orders sitting here. So it's kind of bouncing between the two. But it does seem like the sellers are more aggressive right now, especially on NASDAQ. It's creating lower high after lower high. On gold, it's still kind of equal. It's still playing in this range. You see that? So we need a clear break. Okay, look at that. Getting some volume now. NASDAQ breaking towards the downside too. We just need like a clear, lovely break towards the downside. And then we're solid, man. It's literally a gay movie, bro. I know, bro. I was just saying it as a joke. No, it's a movie about two gay dudes. I don't know if a movie can be gay. If you mean happy movie, then it's not. It's really bad. I haven't actually seen it. I just know the meme. Brokeback Mountain. Is it like, I don't even know what it's about, to be honest. Like, I just know that there's some kind of gay scene in it. Why is it not a happy movie? Tell me, why is it not? What's wrong with the movie? Obviously, there's like a weird scene in there, but what else is wrong? What else is wrong about it? Or sad or whatever? Dude, come on. Give me the break. Give me the break, bro. This kind of price action is super annoying to look at. Up, down, up, down. But pretty soon we'll get a move. Pretty soon we'll get a move. Just consolidation for the big. Look, NASDAQ is already pushing a lot faster. Gold is still playing with us. Huh. Well. Still up and down, dude. Still up and down. Okay. I think Medvedev took some magic potion because he's back on his game. Wow. Let's see, dude. Is it actually going to break the EMA right now? No way, dude. It might actually, dude. If it doesn't get rejected straight away. Yep, it's picking up the volume, man. Gosh. Yeah, gold is actually moving to the upside. It could still get rejected right now, though. This could be the final liquidity grab for the push. Nope, it's going up. Yeah. We're about to get stopped, dude. Out of nowhere. Out of nowhere, the buyer stepped in. Out of nowhere. Ooh. It was worth a shot, though. It was worth a shot. Yeah, it's probably going. And Nasdaq is reversing as well. Yeah. They're both gonna hit. They're both gonna hit stop loss. Or Nasdaq isn't yet. Yeah, gold just did. Gold just did. Putting Nasdaq break even. Well, it was worth a shot. For a moment, it looked super weak, but now it looks like it's not gonna break. Created equal lows here, and it's actually moving towards the upside. So hey, we're gonna end the stream with this account, but I'm actually gonna take this take this scalp towards the upside probably on the other account. Let's see if we get stopped out. Okay, we might be too hasty. Let's keep the original stop loss at $200 on NAS, because it could still reverse from here. But yeah, gold pretty convincingly came above the 100. Then I do think it's going to be continuing to the upside, but weirdly, Nasdaq is not following suit. Yeah, there's still hope for Nasdaq, man. There's still hope for Nasdaq. Yeah, interesting. Could just reverse now to on gold. But yeah, Nasdaq hasn't done anything for us not to be bearish on it. Okay, now that we're out of gold, I'm not even gonna look at that. Let's pull up US 30 just for a comparison. Yep, there we go. So US 30 is looking a little bit more bullish. Interesting. Yeah, US 30 just needs a break above this to be bullish. Whew, yeah, you know what? It looks like it's reversing. Yep. Let's just take it, man. Okay, we're at 95K and it's probably going up. So okay, guys, I'm gonna be live with the Fivers account. We're gonna scalp this. So just stay patient for about 5 minutes, guys. I'll be back live with the other account.